back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 14 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever it is that I officially title this. Today I am working on a slightly larger project, so this one will be part 1. I have a sister that I love so much. I have mentioned her before. She is my best friend, my person. When I have good news or something exciting happens, she's the one that I want to tell. She also bullies me a little bit, which is odd since I'm the oldest. Oh, I'm sorry. She doesn't bully me, she aggressively encourages me. She was a driving force in me going to conventions, which I absolutely love to do, and she encouraged me to make my own cosplay. She's pretty awesome. So, my wonderful, awesome sister really likes whimsical cottagecore styled stuff, and she also loves blankets. So I found this plain fleece throw. Um, I knew that I had to add to it as soon as I saw it. I also knew that I had to get it for her because it was totally her style. So when I saw this, I decided that I was going to add a crochet base to the edge, but I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do yet. So I decided to go with this green. It doesn't quite match, but I don't really care. So I used my skip stitch blade for my rotary cutter, and I will leave a link to that in the description. They are around $20 after shipping and taxes. That might seem like a lot, but I've had mine since 2010, and it's still going strong, so it's definitely worth it. You can also poke the holes manually, but that takes a lot of time, and you have to measure the space between each of them, and that's a lot. So I just use the skip stitch blade. That is definitely an easier and faster method. So I've got all the holes poked in the blanket and I can crochet around it. I'm just going to do a basic single crochet and chain one pattern around the blanket for the base. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do for the rest of it for the actual edge, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I ran out of time to do anything more on this today. I'm super busy and I'm behind schedule, so that kind of sucks. So I'm just going to leave it here. But I will continue this because it's a gift for my sister, so obviously I have to finish it. But now that we are at the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today, even though it was a little short. Let me know what you think about this project. Do you like the mushroom and pumpkin print? I don't love the pumpkins, but I do really like the mushrooms. I think they're very cute. Anyway, don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, hit that bell button to be notified when I upload next, and thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!